Today we're going to be checking out some Pittsburgh oil filter pliers here from Harbor Freight, and that's coming up next year on Jesse B Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. If you can see, I'm already dirty. I've been working on a bunch of videos, so what I'm doing is we're going to be trying out this oil filter pliers here from Pittsburgh, and I picked these up at Harbor Freight, of course, because they carry Pittsburgh. Now what I'm doing in this video is I'm actually doing two videos in one, so if the wording or something sounds kind of weird, that's why. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out, give you my initial impressions of them, tell you a little bit about them, and then I'm going to insert the piece from the car that I did the oil change on where I use these, and then we'll come back and I'll tell you my final thoughts on it. So let's get started. Now let's go over some of the specs of these real quick. There's not very much on the back here, but we'll go over it. It says bites into filter for a non-slip grip. They are 11 3/4 long for extra reach and torque. And then this handles oil filters 2 inches, the 4 1/4 in diameter. And that's going to cover a lot of what I do. So that's why I really like it. So let's take these out and look at them on the table. All right, now we're at the table here. The first thing I want to go over, as you can see right here, it's got 3 positions on it. We'll open these up, and they do seem to move pretty easily, but not too loose, into all the positions. That is very nice there. Now the grip, just feeling it on here, that grip feels really nice on these. So what I'm really interested to see long term is see if these slide off or not, but that rubberized grip feels good. These teeth on here, they definitely feel like they're going to bite into whatever you grab with these. So my first initial impressions, fit and finish, look very good on them. Everything looks great. So I'm going to insert the video here of me taking off the oil filter on the car I was doing. And like I said, I'm mixing 2 videos into one. So if the wording sounds kind of weird, that's why. And now we're going to try it out on here and see how it uses and how it works and see if it's any good. What I'm concerned about, there's not a lot of room between here and here. If this doesn't work, I do have the cap style that just goes over the end of it, so I'm not real worried about it. But I figured this would be a good time to try these pliers out and see if we can get it to move. And just unlike the drain plug that we just did, this was actually under the right tension. So now I'm going to move my drain pan over here, and we're going to get this off here. And these pliers grab pretty dang good. Now I should be able to get it by hand. So what's my initial thoughts of these oil filter pliers here from Pittsburgh? I give it a thumbs up. It works real good on there. I was actually worried about not having enough room to get the handles up in there, and these things still bit into it enough for me to be able to take it off, and I really like that. So what I'm really looking forward to is long term. After today, every oil change I do now, if I can get this in to get the filter off, I'm going to use these to test them out. And next car I got is my 05 Subaru Legacy that I got to do an oil change on. So that'll be the next thing we use it on. But so far, I'm liking it and give it a thumbs up. So as always, don't forget to check the links out down below. Some of those are affiliate links that do help out the channel, and they let me afford to be able to buy stuff like this to make videos. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.